Traders, Zellman here, August 11, 2018. The stock market's closed. It's a Saturday. Going to provide you guys an update on FRFS, ticker symbol FRFS. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. And if you would like to take a live trading course with myself, visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for more information. So let's take a look at ticker symbol FRFS. Been reporting on her since late 2017. I believe it was somewhere along the lines of October or November. Been posting about her on Twitter. Came a long way since then. Traded as high as 15 plus cents. When I looked at it, she was trading, I believe, around a penny and a half, somewhere along this line right here. Okay, so now everybody's been waiting for Giffer to report the news. Now, as far as a technical standpoint, and I have a lot of followers in Firefish, they ask me about FRFS constantly all the time, and I'm just reporting what I see on the technical level. Okay, now if they release this news, whatever I'm telling you right now is worth nothing. The news will speak for itself. If everyone expects that Giffer took over FRFS, which my honest opinion seems like they have, and if they report the news that everyone's waiting for, she will shoot up, and this is a penny wealth stock. Now, if not, well, it's going to be a crapshooter, right? So anyhow, this is everything I tell you on a technical level, and I believe we need news next week. And I say this because the trend, the uptrend, is finally broken. Even though we have support here, the trend is finally broken. It might trail down to maybe 4, pop, go to 6, then continue lower. The longer they take to release the news for Firefish, FRFS, the further she'll drop. I think traders had enough. They waited a long time. It's August. I believe the news is supposed to come out any day, anywhere from now into a day after Labor Day, just because apparently they seem to report news around American holidays. So that's something to look out for. In general, as far as a technical standpoint right now, it doesn't look healthy. We need news this week. The longer it takes for them to release the news, the further she'll deteriorate as far as the technical level. For any individuals that's trying to get into Firefish at a real cheap price and willing to roll the dice to see if they're going to report the news and release news, you know what? In a week's, possibly 2 weeks' time, it might be really, really cheap if they don't report news. So keep an eye on FRFS moving forward. Might be something worth watching. It might be a wild one. Once again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you want to take an upcoming live trading course with me, feel free to go to my site, thetradingteacher.com.